On September 17, 2019, a public beta test was sent off for the Hedera Hashgraph organization, a circulated vault with a pronounced throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own Hedera Hashgraph digital money Hbar, as well as a help for savvy agreements and document stockpiling. Also, there are now more than 36 applications previously working on its premise. What is the Hedera Hashgraph gauge for 2021, and then some? Will Hbar cost go up in 2021? Figure out this and more in our Hedera Hashgraph cost forecast for 2021 to 2030. Hedera Hashgraph Review. Hashgraph, the Hbar blockchain, is a more productive option to blockchain. It is likewise a disseminated vault, however one that utilizes an alternate approach to compassing blocks. Rather than an unmistakable grouping of blocks, blockchain, the hash graph utilizes a directed acyclic graph, DAG, which records data in a non-straight way, without a consecutive chain of blocks. Cryptographic forms of money, for example, IOTA, Byteball and Tangle, are now working based on DAG. Because of DAG, the hash graph guarantees every one of the benefits of the blockchain, however without its disadvantage as low exchange speed. In its most broad structure, a hash graph agreement fills in as follows. O network members, hubs, trade information through the gossip convention. O transaction data is shipped off to arbitrary hubs, sending them, thusly, to 2 other O nodes, etc. dramatically, until the quantity of informed hubs is sufficient to check the exchange. O nodes trade just exchange information with one another, and not all data about the organization, while data is put away not in blocks, but rather in hashes. Consequently, everything happens a lot quicker than in the blockchain. No transactions are kept in sequential request, so you can follow their set of experiences. The hash calculation was created and licensed in 2016 by the American mathematician Lyman Baird. Calculation privileges are possessed by Swirls, helped to establish and created by Baird. Swirl's innovation was spotted by U.S. banks in October 2017, the National Credit Union Association, CUNA, and Mountain West Credit Union Association, MWCUA, which framed a consortium of 6,000 banks, chose Swirls to make a typical corporate organization. Achievement permitted them to isolate the task into a different stage. Hedera Hashgraph Platform. Swirls conceded Hedera Hashgraph a selective permit, under which the organization will get 10% of Hedera Hashgraph's income. Hedera Hashgraph is a public foundation of Baird's licensed Hashgraph. From March to August 2018, the task was directed by ICO, raising $124 million. Shut testing of the organization started in December 2018. The code was checked by a few review organizations, however just now the designers have started public testing. Hedera Hashgraph presently offers 3 items. A digital currency, shrewd agreements, and a document administration. Any client can make a record on the organization, open a record or make dApps in view of Hedera Hashgraph, having breezed through the kick assessment. The organization upholds up to 10,000 exchanges each second, and its exchange affirmation time is 3 to 5 seconds. Shrewd agreements and record administrations are additionally accessible on the Hedera Hashgraph organization, however, up until this point, their throughput depends on 10 exchanges each second, while the pronounced rates will step-by-step increment, and the typical exchange expense will be $0.0001. Hedera Hashgraph. Technical analysis. As per the specialized investigation performed by TradingView, in light of the 3 most well-known specialized pointers, moving averages, oscillate. All things considered, it is as yet conceivable to make a few appraisals with respect to what each coin or token's true capacity could be. How low might they at any point go? How high? In spite of the fact that the sky is the limit, we don't believe that the Hedera Hashgraph cost gets an opportunity to reach $100 sooner rather than later. Nonetheless, this cryptographic money actually has a few decent long-haul possibilities. Its past cost activity demonstrates that Hbar coin is probably going to encounter some sluggish yet steady development over the course of the following couple of years and may try and go up to as high as $3 at any rate, assuming the most hopeful Hedera Hashgraph estimate is to be accepted. Remember that we make general expectations about the normal future value a digital money might reach during a given year. A coin's cost might go up to $100 in May and crash to $1 in July of that very year, and its typical cost for that year would be $50. Here are our expectations at the typical costs Hedera Hashgraph might arrive at before very long. Hedera Price Prediction 2022. As indicated by the specialized examination of Hedera costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Hedera will be 13 cents. The most extreme level that the Hbar cost can reach is 15 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 13 cents. Hbar price forecast for May 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Hedera toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Hbar pace of 11 cents in March. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.096 and at 11 cents, separately. June 2022. Hedera price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the Hbar cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 10 cents, while the most extreme could reach 11 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Hedera may be around 11 cents. Hbar price forecast for July 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Hedera in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Hbar rate they anticipate may be around 11 cents in May. It can drop to 11 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 12 cents. August 2022. Hedera price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Hbar cost will be exchanged at 12 cents overall. June could likewise observe an expansion in the Hedera worth to 12 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 11 cents in June 2022. Hbar price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Hedera costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 12 cents. The most reduced and top Hbar rates may be 12 cents and 13 cents. October 2022. Hedera price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Hbar cost will be around 12 cents. In August, the Hedera cost might drop to at least 12 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 13 cents in August 2022. Hbar price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Hedera costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Hbar rate could arrive at a limit of 14 cents in September 2022. It may, in any case, drop to 12 cents. For September, the determined normal of Hedera is almost 13 cents. December 2022. Hedera price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Hedera cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 13 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2022, the Hbar cost could change somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 15 cents. Hedera price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Hedera in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Hedera will be around 18 cents. The most extreme expected Hbar cost might be around 22 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 19 cents in 2023. Hedera price prediction 2020.